Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss another most important topic. Most important topic is reaction intermediate. Dear student, what is reaction intermediate? Firstly we will discuss about this, and after that the type of reaction intermediate. Dear student, as I know that most of the organic reaction involves the cleavage of bonds. Due to cleavage of bond, more reactive species is formed. This is known as reaction intermediate. As you know that in last video we have told the homolysis of bond and heterolysis of the bond. In homolysis of bond form free radical, while when heterolysis takes place to form cations and anions. Cations, anions and free radical form after the cleavage of bond is reactive species and known as reaction intermediate, because when we solve about mechanism of any reaction, this type species are formed during the mechanism and act as an intermediate between the mechanism is called reaction intermediate. Okay dear student, so let us see how many types of reaction intermediate. We have following types of reaction intermediate like free radical, carbocation, carboanions, carbenes, etc. These are the reaction intermediates formed during the mechanism of a reaction. Okay dear student, so first we will discuss about free radical. What is free radical and when free radical is formed? We have already seen when the homolysis takes place between the molecules, that means the bond equally break down, symmetrical cleavage is formed, taken place to form free radical. Okay dear student, let us see, suppose A and AB, when one electron goes to A and one electron goes to B of this covalent bond is formed this and this. Okay, this is A free radical and B free radical. Okay dear student, that means we can define as a free radical may be defined as an atom or group of atom having an unpaired electron is called free radical. That means a group or atom or group of atom having unpaired electron is called free radical. Dear students, free radical are very reactive species and it is formed after the homolysis of covalent bond of organic compound. Okay dear student, next, now one thing is classification of free radical. Classification of free radical. Free radical are classified on the basis of presence of unpaired electron on the carbon atom. When free radical present on 1 degree carbon atom or a single carbon atom in the molecule is called 1 degree free radical. When one unpaired electron present on the 2 degree carbon atom is called secondary or 2 degree free radical. When free radical That means one unpaired electron present on the 3-degree carbon atom is called tertiary free radical. Okay, dear student. So we have 1 degree or primary free radical. Free radical. Okay, dear student. 2 degree or secondary free radical. Third, 3 degree or tertiary free radical. Okay, dear student. The example of 1 degree free radical is CH3 methyl free radical, CH3 CH2 ethyl free radical, CH3 CH2 CH2 free radical, methyl free radical. This is the name of this compound, methyl free radical, ethyl free radical, propyl free radical. Okay, dear student. 2 degree free radical when one unpaired electron present on the secondary carbon atom is called 2 degree free radical or secondary free radical, like CH3, CH3 like this, secondary free radical. Okay, dear student, the skeleton will be like RCRH, secondary free radical. Okay, dear student. Next, when we call about 3 degree free radical, in this species, unpaired electron present on the 3 degree carbon atom like this R, C, R free radical or CH3, C, CH3, CH3 like this. Okay, dear student. Now a question arises: what is which free radical is stable? The stability of free radical depends upon the alkyl group attached to the carbon atom having unpaired electron. Okay, dear student. So the stability increases with the increasing of hyperconjugation structure. That means the stability decreases like this R, C, R, C. The stability of tertiary radical is greater than that of secondary and then that of primary and that of methyl free radical. This is the decreasing order of free radical. Decreasing order of free radical. Okay, dear student, because tertiary free radical here it forms 9 hyperconjugative structure. It forms here if there is in place of R, if methyl group is present, it will form 6 hyperconjugative structure. If here methyl group is present, in that case it will form 3 hyperconjugative structure and it will form no any other structure. Okay, so the decreasing order or increasing order depends upon the hyperconjugative structure. You can say also resonance structure. Okay, dear student, as the hyperconjugative structure is higher, that means the stability of the free radical will be higher. Okay, dear student. So we will discuss another topic is carbocation. Okay, dear student, what is carbocation? Cations means the positive charge. That means the species in which carbon get positive charge is called carbocation. Like this, CH3 positive methyl carbocation, C2H5 ethyl carbocation, etc. Okay, dear student, that means cation means the species in which carbon atom bear positive charge. Okay, dear student, carbon atom bear positive charge. Carbon atom will be bear positive charge when an more electronegative atom will attach to the carbon atom. In that situation, suppose here C axis present. In this manner, when the bond breaking takes place between carbon and X, due to the more electronegative nature of X, the electron will displace towards X and will form like C and positive charge and X as a negative charge. Okay, dear student, that means carbocation formed due to the heterolytic fission of bond between carbon and more electronegative atom in the molecule. Okay, dear student, so this is carbocation. Okay, now carbocation further classified into 1 degree carbocation, 2 degree carbocation and 3 degree carbocation, and the stability also depends upon the number of resonance structure formed by carbocations. Okay, that means the tertiary carbocations should be higher stable than that of secondary carbocation, and the secondary carbocation should be higher stability than that of primary carbocation. Let us see here. Carbocation further classified into 3 categories: 1 degree carbocation, 1 degree carbocation like CH3, CH2 positive, CH3, CH2, CH2 positive. Okay, dear student, CH2 positive, ethyl carbocation, methyl carbocation, etc. Okay, dear student. Next, 2 degree carbocation, carbocation skeleton RCRH positive, 2 degree carbocation, or the example CH3C, CH3H positive carbocation. 3 degree carbocation, 3 degree carbocation RCRR positive, or CH3CCH3 positive. Okay, dear student. Isobutyl carbocation. Okay, dear student. And propyl carbocation, so butyl carbocation. 3 degree carbocation, also known as tertiary carbocation. 2 degree carbocation, so known as secondary carbocation. 1 degree carbocation, also known as primary carbocation. Now the stability of carbocation are as follows. Here, stability of carbocation like R positive greater than R H positive greater than R, CH2 positive greater than CH3 positive. This is the decreasing order of stability. Decreasing order of stability of carbocations. Okay, dear student. Now, in carbocations, there are 6 electrons around the carbon having positive charge. Okay, dear student.